Hello everyone, and we're going to start with the drawing with loops, and we're going to use the artist, and it's also going to involve some maths. So we're going to watch the video and get right into it.
You wouldn't even qualify for the race if you don't have people that are proficient in computer sciences because of how much data the cars collect and the necessity to be able to have people that can write programs that to figure out how you can continue to build performance. In these puzzles, you'll be an artist that uses a pencil to draw different shapes, so wherever your artist goes, it will draw a line behind it. To move around the canvas, you'll use the Move Forward block. Here, the Move Forward block says move forward by 100 pixels. When we hit run, what happens? The artist moves forward a certain amount, and that amount is 100 pixels. Pixels are basically very tiny squares on your computer screen. The other block we have in this puzzle says turn right by 90 degrees. And when we drag that out, that makes our artist turn a certain amount. So you can play around with how far you want the artist to turn. This is a 90-degree turn. And this is a 120-degree turn. And remember, you can change these values by clicking the arrows next to the numbers for pixels and degrees. Enjoy drawing with your artist.
So that's the video. So you can basically just let it play around with what this artist has. So I'm going to do this. And you can change the speed of the artist. And in case you get something wrong, you can put it at the tortoise one so you can check the code. So you can see the code. And you can finish it. So you're going to have to make the cage, but you're going to have to make the cage for the monster. So you could just use one of the pieces. As you can see, it's going to have to move 100 pixels because it says each line is 100 pixels long, and as you can see, this is a 90-degree angle turn, so it's going to have to turn right 90 degrees. If it turns left, it's going to go the opposite way. Now you can move on to the next video.
Here we're going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage, but they're just there. Here we are going to use the repeat block to help us save steps when we're programming our artist. We already have some blocks out on our stage, but they're just there to get us started. To loop those blocks 4 times to draw the whole square, we just drag out the repeat block and put the move forward and turn right blocks inside the repeat block. When we hit run, the artist will repeat those steps 4 times to complete the square.
Sorry if there was a pause. So, as you can see, you have to draw a square, but from our other one, we can see that we can use use a loop, and also from the video we can use the loop and just do that. So this was supposed to take 8 blocks, but you can use the loop and it's going to take less than 8 blocks. So now it's going to be a triangle, and side of the triangle is 100 pixels long and 120-degree outer angles. So it's going to have to turn left. Like, you can use a repeat later, and you can also set the color if you wanted to. So now move forward by pixels, then it would have to turn left by 120 degrees. Then it could move forward by 100 pixels and turn left by 120 degrees again. Even though I'm pretty sure we could have just put all of this inside and do it 3 times. Now this is going to be a challenge one, and you can skip if you wanted to, but I'm going to do it. So the long side is 150 pixels and the short sides are 75 pixels. So I think we should start with the simple one until we get the pattern. So have to move forward 150 pixels. Then it should be able to do it like, I would have to turn right. Let me just check if it's we could check 45. So sorry about the pause again. So don't have to turn right, then it should move forward by 75 pixels. Turn right by 45 degrees again, then it should move forward by 75. And right here, I'm pretty sure I know that the pattern is going to be 2 times, so I don't have to repeat this. But I forgot to, this should be a turn left instead. I think I should put it on the tortoise so I can try to. So it's now 90 degrees. Yeah. It should then turn left. I mean right. And it's supposed to be 45. Now the challenge is now completed, and the code would be for variable count equals 0. So it's going to start at 0, then it's going to count up to 2, then the count plus plus is going to be plus by 1, and this is going to what keeps it all in the function. So move forward 150 pixels, turn right 45 degrees, move forward and 75, and turn right 90 degrees, move forward 75, turn right 45, and all of this means the code I just did. Here. And this is another challenge. Well, this challenge is actually going to be kind of easy. You just need to have a repeat. It should be 5 times since it's going to be 5 corners. Then I can only use one of these, but it's going to be okay since if I do this, it should be fine. So it's going to have done the star and the white would be 20, so it looks like a fat one. Then, so this one, I have to do the stair step. It's 50 pixels long and 50 pixels tall. So I can only use 2 of these or else I won't be able to pass it. So this step, there's 3 corners, so it should be 3 times. It's going to be move forward to 90 degrees, move forward and turn left, since if it turns right, it's going to do a square. But something's wrong, as I have to set the white, the width, to 20. And you can also set the color to random again. And the code for this one is pen width, which would be the pen, and how wide it's going to be 20, and for variable count equals 0, and you know the rest, but it's going to be 3 plus 1. Then pen color, it'll be random. And it's going to move forward by 50 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, move forward by 50 pixels again, and turn left. Then it's going to close the function. Now, this one is basically going to be the same code, but it's longer. So as you can see, it's added 3 more. So it's going to be move forward 100 pixels, turn right 72 degrees, by Grossgraph to set the width to 20. Then move forward by 100 pixels again, turn left by what I think should be 9. Wait a minute. This should be 50, not 100. It's just trying to trick you off there. And this should be 90. Now we're done. Okay. And we're on the last one, which is also the challenge. So as you can see, it has 8 sides, and it's going to be really easy. So 8 sides, move forward. And you also want to set the weight to 20 again, or else you won't be able to pass the level. So move forward, then it should turn right, and that should be 90 degrees or something. No, not 90 degrees. Right? Really sure. Yes, okay, that's close. 40. Oops. D. Maybe I should set the width. So it should move forward by 100 pixels. Yeah, and this I could try. Well, I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to try here. Try. How about I just try the left? 120. No, I and 270. How about that? Okay, you do have to set the width to 20. And I'm only supposed to use 5 blocks. So that could be a clue. Right. So I figured it's now turned left. Oh, actually, it's because of the angle. I mean the degrees. So you don't have to change the degrees, but I'm not really sure what I have to change it to. So I'm going to try 45 again. No, it's very close. 45, 30. Wait, that's actually off. How about 70? 65? It should be a 10 number, or at least. Okay, 95. Why is it not working? Oh, how about 180? It's not work as it's a straight line. 360. Would that even work? Guess not. I don't even know what to do right now. Okay. So I think I should scrap all of this right now. So it's move forward. How about I turn right? Right. Has the answer been staring at me for the whole thing? Well, at least I know it wasn't. Because of how many times. Oh, it's an angle. How am I even supposed to find this out? 90 degrees? Is that even going to work? Or should I just try moving backward? I somehow did not know any way to solve this. I don't know. How am I supposed to find this out? And there's no hints. And I have to make this shorter with loops. The only bad thing is I don't know the angle. And you have to use the loops by 4 times. So I'm going to change it. I want to know is it move forward. But turn right. How many times? 95. Is that going to be it? So, looks like we have to do something, and this is called debugging, which is basically we need to take some code out which is not correct. Okay? Now we can see this. Look for a pattern to make this code shorter using the loops. So, it looks like what's happening. This is a little bit too big, and let's try and change it to 15. Yeah, that's still going to be too small. I mean, too big. So, let's see. Okay, we just figured it out. Now you have, well, because I've already done this, we had to start over, and you'll actually just to take all of this out, and we just need to put it in a repeat block. Yeah, and since it has 8 sides, it's going to be repeat 8 times. So we basically did not know what to do, but now we figured it out. Yeah. So that's all for today, and I'll see you later. Bye.